Puberty is a special time in your life. It is when your body starts to change in many ways. You change from being a child. You start to become more like an adult. This is a very normal and natural part of growing up for everyone. Every single person goes through puberty. Your body knows exactly what it needs to do. It is an exciting journey that leads to you becoming a grown-up. When does puberty start? Well, it can begin at different times for different people. For most girls, puberty might start when they are between 8 and 13 years old. For most boys, it often starts a little bit later, maybe between 9 and 14 years old. It is perfectly okay if your puberty starts earlier than your friends. It is also perfectly okay if it starts later. Everybody's body has its own timeline, and that is completely fine and normal. What makes all these amazing changes happen inside you? Tiny things in your body called hormones start to work. You can think of hormones as little messengers. These messengers travel all around inside your body. They carry important messages. They tell different parts of your body that it is time to grow. They tell your body it is time to change in new ways. These hormones are very important for your journey of growing up. Sometimes all these new changes can feel a bit strange or confusing. You might feel a little worried or unsure about what is happening. But it is important to remember that puberty is a good thing. It means your body is healthy and you are growing strong. It is a sign that you are developing just as you should. All these new experiences are part of the natural plan for you to become an adult. One of the first big changes you might notice is that you are growing taller. This is often called a growth spurt. Suddenly your pants might seem too short for your legs. The sleeves on your shirts might not reach your wrists anymore. You might even find that you grow out of your shoes very quickly. This happens because your bones are growing longer. Your muscles are also growing bigger and stronger. This is your body getting taller and more adult-like. You will also start to see new hair growing in different places on your body. Hair might begin to grow under your arms. Hair will also grow in your pubic area. The pubic area is the part of your body between your legs. Girls might notice more hair growing on their legs and arms. Boys will start to grow hair on their faces, which is why some older boys and men shave. This new hair is just another normal sign that you are growing up. Boys and girls also change in some different ways during puberty. For boys, their voices will start to get deeper. Sometimes their voice might crack or sound squeaky when they talk. This is very normal and just part of the change. Their shoulders might also get wider and more muscular. For girls, their hips will usually get wider. They will also start to grow breasts. These are all important changes that prepare bodies for adulthood. Sometimes your skin might change too during puberty. You might get some pimples on your face, chest or back. This is often called acne, and many young people experience it. It happens because of those very busy hormones doing their work. You might also notice that you sweat more than before. Your sweat might start to have an odor. This is why it is a good idea to wash your body every day. Using deodorant can also help you feel fresh. Puberty is not just about the changes you see in your body. Your feelings and emotions can change a lot too. Sometimes your emotions might feel very strong and powerful. One minute you might feel super happy and excited. Then the next minute you might feel sad, a bit grumpy, or easily irritated. These quick changes in how you feel are often called mood swings. Many young people have them during puberty, and it is a very normal part of this growing time. You might start to have some new kinds of feelings you have not had before. You might feel more shy around others, or worry more about what other people think of you. This feeling is sometimes called being self-conscious. It is okay to feel this way sometimes as you figure things out. You might also start to have new interests in people. Maybe you will develop a crush on someone. These are all new feelings that come with growing up and learning about yourself. During puberty, you might also feel like you want to be more independent. You might want to make more of your own choices and decisions. You might even find yourself disagreeing with your parents or caregivers more often than before. This is also a normal part of growing up and finding your own voice. At the same time, you might also feel like you really need their help and support. It can be a mix of feelings, wanting space, but also needing comfort, and that is okay. It is very important to remember that these emotional ups and downs are perfectly okay. Everyone who goes through puberty experiences changes in their feelings and moods. If your feelings ever feel too big, too confusing, or too hard to handle on your own, please talk to someone. A trusted adult, like a parent, a relative, a teacher, or a school counselor, can listen to you. They can help you understand your feelings better. Sharing your feelings can make you feel much better and less alone. Remember, puberty is a completely normal and natural part of life. It is something that every single person on Earth goes through. Your body is doing many amazing and clever things to help you grow into an adult. Everyone experiences these changes in their own special and unique way, and everyone goes through them at their own special time, on their own schedule. So, try not to compare your journey too much to your friends or others. Your path of growing up is unique to you. It is perfectly okay to have lots and lots of questions about puberty. This time can bring many new things to think about and understand. You might feel confused or unsure about some of the changes sometimes. That is absolutely alright. Do not ever be afraid to ask your questions. Talk to your parents or other family members you trust and feel comfortable with. You can also talk to a school nurse, a doctor, or a favorite teacher. They are there to help you learn and understand. Growing up also means that you are becoming more capable and skilled. You are learning so many new and exciting things every single day. You can do more things for yourself now than when you were younger. You are developing your very own personality with your own thoughts and ideas. You are finding out what you like, what you do not like, and what you are passionate about. This is an exciting time to discover who you are and who you are becoming. Puberty is truly an adventure, and you are doing a great job navigating all its changes. Be kind and patient with yourself during this important time. Your body and your feelings are working very hard. Always remember that you're special, you are unique, and you are wonderful just the way you are. Growing up is a big step, but it is also a fantastic one. You are becoming an amazing young adult. Embrace the journey ahead with courage, curiosity, and a smile on your face.